Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel 12 Step. Today in this video, let's learn about how to change your name in Bumble. So let's get started. At first, we need to know that in Bumble app, we get no option to change our name. So what we can do is go to any browser and search for Bumble Contact. And click on Contact Us over here. And click on Help Center. Now type your question here. We can type change name. Now here you can see my name is incorrect and how can I change it. So let's tap on this. Now click on here and click on report a technical issue. Write your name and email over here and which mode you are using, your platform of your using, and click on others and write your problem here. Now if you want, you can add screenshot over here and click on send message. When you have done this, you'll get a reply from Bumble. So this is all we can do to change our name in Bumble. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.